today's video, which is part 2 to my 5-part tropical boho home decor set series, I begin by using a square frame Dollar Tree mirror, and we're gonna go ahead and wrap the middle of that mirror in twine. For step 2, I cut out 2 scrap pieces of cardboard the size of my tray and glue those together, and then glue those to the bottom of my tray just to give it a little bit more support. For step 3, I just take some wooden stems that I got in a bag from the Dollar Tree, and I put those in each corner of my tray to use them as legs. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it leaves you inspired to create some home decor of your own. Don't forget to come back and join me for the remaining parts of this tropical boho home decor set series. If you didn't catch part 1, I will go ahead and leave that link in the description box below.